Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to update deals from Stripe. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot to update deals from Stripe, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your HubSpot dashboard. In the top right corner, click on your account name. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, look for Connected Apps. Click on Connect an App, search for Stripe in the event. Select Stripe from the results. Click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to Stripe's login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and click Login. Once you are logged in, a permissions page will appear. Review the permissions and click Authorize to grant HubSpot access. After authorization, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. In HubSpot, navigate to the Deal Settings. Locate the Deal Stages section. Here, you will see options to customize how deals are updated. Select the criteria for updating deals from Stripe. Once set, click on Save Changes. Now, return to your Stripe dashboard. Access the Developers section on the left sidebar. Click on Webhooks from the submenu. Here, you will set up a webhook to send updates to HubSpot. Click on the Add Endpoint button. In the Endpoint URL field, enter the provided HubSpot webhook URL. Set the events you want to trigger updates in HubSpot. Once completed, click Save. Now, HubSpot is authorized to receive updates from Stripe. Test the integration by updating a deal in Stripe. Check if the changes reflect in HubSpot. Monitor the integration for any necessary adjustments over time. Your integration between HubSpot and Stripe is now fully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.